Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can change voice in Discord mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and as we know guys that Discord doesn't have feature to change our voice. So if you want to change our voice on Discord, we need an app called Voice Changer. You can download this application on your Play Store or Apple Store if you are iOS user. I'm going to go to my Play Store and I'm going to show you. You can search for a voice changer or voice effect and you will find this application on your Play Store. Then you need to download and install this application. And since I have installed this application, I just need to open up this application guys. And then before we change our voice, we need to take recording of our voice. I have just recorded my voice with my voice recorder on my mobile phone, and then here I just need to apply the voice changer to my voice. If you haven't recorded your voice, you can use record and change, but here I'm just going to open file to change voice. Okay, this is the voice I have just recorded. Okay guys, and then we can choose the voice here, but before it I'm going to show you the original voice. Okay, and for the voice I'm just going to apply this one for example. Okay, and I'm going to click on save, and now the audio is being saved. Oops. Okay, and then I'm going to share my audio to my Discord friend. We can click on share, and then I'm going to choose Discord. Oops, click on just once. And for example, I'm going to share this one to my friend. Okay, we just need to wait. Okay, and now the audio with the voice changer applied has been sent to my friend on Discord. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change voice on Discord mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys. Hope this video helpful for you.